Once there was a war between England and France. In the war, many soldiers were killed. The French overpowered the English army. Many escaped, but an English soldier captured by the French battalion. The English soldier was thus made a prisoner of war. He was kept captive by the French for a long time. After a few years, the war ended and he was set free. He became very much eager to meet his own people. He was on his way back home. While he was walking, he came across a bird seller. To see the caged birds, he remembered his own pain and suffering in the prison. So he bought all the birds. Then he opened the door of the cage and set the birds free. The bird seller was greatly amazed. The bird seller said to him, "Sir, why have you set them free?" The soldier calmly said, "A prisoner only feels the pangs of imprisonment." Moral: a prisoner best knows the bliss of freedom.